Alright, Honda Civic. Rear license plate lamp. The bulb is out. Well, I changed the bulb already, but I'm going to show you how I did that. So even though it has a little tab over here, you would think that you just have to pry that. Wrong. What you have to do is actually use that little tab as a handle to push it. Okay, you push it this way. Whoa, hang on, do it left-handed. Push it this way, and then it'll slide down. There you go. Gotcha. Not left-handed. Okay, here it is right here. I'll show you what it looks like. There's a little tab, a little L tab like that. That sits in the metal frame. Then here's a little tab over here. So if you want, you can get a little screwdriver and just push that tab in, and it'll come out. Okay, but that's the way you get it out. To put it in, you're going to do it the opposite. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to slide this into the frame and then snap this in. Okay, so this little L piece here, that piece on the left side of this camera here, right there. Okay, that piece there, you're going to slide it into the metal piece and then snap it in. That's how you get it out of there. Now this wire is very short, so once you pull the wire out, what you do is you just take that little connector right there, push it in, and this whole assembly will come out. And I'll show you that. I'm gonna put you down. I'm just gonna take that tab off. Yeah, once you push that little tab off there, all right, little tab, this whole assembly is gonna come out in your hands. Okay. And now we're gonna disassemble it to show you how it comes off. So let's take it over here, out of the sun, onto a little makeshift bench over here. Okay. And what you're going to do here is, you see the little tabs here? There's a tab here. There's a tab here. What you're going to do is you're just going to squeeze it, the sides, and then separate the frame. Alright. It said squeeze this little side here, squeeze the little side here. And this whole assembly is going to come out like that. See? Pull your plug out there. Your bulb. Change your bulb and snap it back together. Okay, it goes on a little bit of a weird angle, so you have to try to remember exactly the angle. It doesn't like go straight up. You see how it looks like a little 45-degree angle? So yeah, if you don't remember how it goes, the smooth side goes towards the top. Okay, otherwise you'll be poking it all over the place trying to make it go straight in, but it's not. All right, so once that is there like that, now we're gonna go plug it in. Make sure it lights up, and then we're going to snap the little housing in. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's do that. Let's take you off my hand here. Let's walk you back. It's pretty simple. So over here, like I said, that's a little tab right there. Oops, trying to get you there. All right, there's a little tab right there that you're going to push. This is going to go back in it. 2 hands to hold that tab, otherwise it's going to disappear in your trunk. All right, so let's do that. All right, once you snap it in, now we're just going to put it in. Get the wire in there first. Let's see if we can lift this up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna hold like this, anchor it with my arm. You're gonna stick it in. Like I said, we're gonna slide this piece in here first. Once it's in there, once that slides in there, this just snaps right back on, and you're good to go. That's it. Pretty simple. In case you ever lose the wiring, you can go into your trunk. You can either take these covers off here, these little clips, or you could just stick your hand right through here. Okay, stick your hand, it's soft, it's just like a felt thing. Get in there, get to the wire, stick it back out into the hole, and you'll be good. All right, everything conforms right back to its original self. Put everything back in the trunk, and we are good to go. And we're good to go. Thanks for watching. Ciao.